Hey y'all, Jordan from Carolina Sewing back here, and I just unpacked the brand new Baby Lock Altair 2 and Meridian 2. Looked at some of the new features, some pretty cool stuff in there. It's everything you loved about the Altair, Meridian plus more. And the good news is if you already have one, an Altair or Meridian, they came out with an upgrade. So you can purchase this and bring your machine up to the 2 level. So I'm going to talk about a few of the features. I'm not going to go into crazy depth on anything. If there's anything you want to see an extended video on, let me know and I'll do it. But I am going to do an unboxing and show you that when you get the upgrade, what you get in it, and I'll talk about some of the key differences between the original and the 2. So, first thing you got when you open the box is some Madeira thread. I can get that in frame. 1,000-meter spools, embroidery thread, bunch of different colors. Cool. Just a little something to play with the new designs, I guess. And then you get the actual upgrade here. It's the same for the Altair and Meridian. This is just an embroidery upgrade. You're not getting any sewing stuff or anything like that. Outlines all the differences here. So the first thing it comes with is the couching embroidery foot. Couching is almost like embroidery with yarn, and that's what it's utilizing here. I had some samples, I just couldn't put my hands on them, unfortunately. It comes with some designs, and that's the example they use, so you can kind of see it gives it different texture, and it's just a little bit different than just embroidering with embroidery thread. It comes with 7x12 magnetic frame. If you haven't used the Baby Lock's magnetic frames, they're a little different than like the Dom ones that I use a lot of. They come with a bunch of different little magnets, and it makes it really strong. I mean, it's strong. I've hooped just a piece of cotton material and ran it like that, and I had no issues, no stabilizer. Wouldn't recommend doing that. It was more testing, but that was pretty sweet. The coolest part of the upgrade is the 2-point positioning. A couple things where this can help you is if you hoop something crooked, you're able to actually draw a line that orientates straight. So like if this is it and I hoop crooked, I can make a line and I can drop point 1 and point 2 using the laser embroidery foot that comes with the machines. You drop those point 1, point 2, and if you have a name, for example, it'll literally shift it to make it straight. Or if you have it hoop straight and you want to cant it or something like that, it automatically does your cant and makes it perfect. One thing I want to try, and I'll actually do a video on this if I'm right, I think it's going to make doing multiple hooping on one embroidery substantially easier. So if you're doing like a great big sign with somebody's name and you only have a 9.5 by 14 hoop, but you're 9.5 by 30, I think this is going to make it a lot easier. I'm going to play around with that. I would usually use the Solaris for that because you got the projector and you can line things up very easily, but you don't have a Solaris, you got a Meridian. You get the Meridian 2 upgrade, I think you'll easily be able to do it, just as easy with the projector. A couple editing features. So this is 15 new additional IQ designer decorative fills, so that's like your quilting stuff, as well as 12 new IQ motifs. So that's like the shapes and whatnot. So that's giving you different options for your creativity. So like if you want to play around doing your own designs, you get that. It's also got 2 new fonts it's going to come with, as well as this one large monogram font. So you guys got the other ones in there. That one's really cool. I'll try and show some of those too later. Additional embroidery patterns and some stippling for embroidery editing. So it's got some pretty cool features coming with the machines. The 2-point positioning is definitely the big one. It's gonna change things for sure. Last thing is this book, and I actually had to take this one twice because I was showing this thing off, and this actually has some codes on there so you can spend some money at Urban Threads and Embroidery Library. 15 bucks. It's kind of like a gift card in a way, but it's got a little code on here that's unique to the upgrade, and you can go on there. It's got expiration, all the details. That's pretty cool. I like shopping there, so I think you'll be able to get some pretty cool designs from there. Then this book is highlighting some different people that work at Baby Lock educators and ambassadors, some of the built-in designs. I don't know if all these came with the upgrade or if they're already built in, but there's some pretty good ones. I like that camping one. They had some fishing stuff, cool little designs and stuff, you know what I mean? Up till just a few years ago, built-in designs weren't very exciting, so it's nice to have a machine that you're getting stuff that you can actually use some of the built-in stuff. So that's where we're gonna end the video. The Meridian box, everything inside is the same. So if you have a Meridian, I'm not skipping over you, you're not missing anything. It's all the same stuff. I do want to do some more in-depth videos. If there's anything you want to see specifically, let me know in the comments below. I'm definitely going to go over the 2-point positioning. I just got to get a whole video together to really show that off. And I want to play around a little bit first so I know what I'm doing. But if you have the Altair or Meridian and are looking to get the upgrade for that, give us a call. We're doing a pre-order right now. I'm going to drop our phone number in the description box below so you can easily get up with us. And we'll see y'all next time.